Hey there! Welcome to GVG Ads. So you're probably here because you are interested in making money as an affiliate online.
So first off, to the newbie affiliates. It is 100% free. Register with us and get access to the offers without any charge. We are not an MLM or network marketing platform. We are a real affiliate marketing network where you can promote our offers and get access to them 100% free. The cool thing about joining our network is that we allow you to receive payouts weekly.
Unlike many networks out there, if you are new to affiliate marketing, you will be paired up with an affiliate advisor that can help you get started in really learning the foundations of affiliate marketing to help with your transformation from newbie, novice, and until you reach the super affiliate levels. We take pride in helping anyone who would like to learn this awesome skill so more and more people in the world can have the freedom they deserve. So if you are looking for a way to make some money online and don't have any capital, we are here to help. If you are someone who is new in the affiliate space and need guidance to make your first sale or conversion, we are here for you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up as an affiliate and your affiliate manager will contact you so you can get started as soon as possible.
GVG Ads. We are here to make a difference.